welcome to another episode. So in the previous videos we learned about indicators, and we learned about 8 indicators to be precise: simple moving average, exponential moving average, relative strength index, parabolic saw, super trend, pivot, stochastic RSI, VWAP. I'm not saying these are all the indicators that are available there. There are lots and lots of indicators that are available there, but these are the 8 indicators which are very popular and which even I use. In this video, we are going to learn about volume. So in the previous videos, as in indicators, I told you that you do not take trade only on the basis of indicators. Taking trade only on the basis of volume is a crime. You do not do that. You do not take trades only on the basis of volume. You never do that. Volume is just a confirmation tool that you use, or you try to figure out what the traders are thinking. Alright. Volume also breaks a very fundamental thing that we have learned since childhood, that 2 plus 2 equal to 4. No, volume says 2 plus 2 equal to 2. How? So suppose I want to buy 2 shares of Infosys, and you want to sell 2 shares of Infosys, right? So 2 shares from your side, 2 shares from my side, that makes it 4, right? No. So you are selling 2 shares, I am buying 2 shares. So the trade happens only if the quantities match, right? So 2 from your side, 2 from my side, that makes the traded quantity 2, hence 2 plus 2 equal to 2. Volume tells you the amount of shares that is being traded in that time frame. All right. So how do you make sense out of this? I have made a volume trend table which will help you understand this. So if the price is increasing and the volume is increasing, your expectation should be that the trend right now is bullish. If the price is increasing and the volume is decreasing, there can be a reversal possible, but that's not sure. So when there is a reversal possible, you do not take a trade, right? If the price is decreasing and the volume is increasing, that means that the trend can be sort of bearish. If the price is decreasing and the volume is also decreasing, again, there is a reversal possible. So whenever there is a reversal possible, you do not take a trade, right? If the expectation is bullish or bearish, then only you take a trade. Now when I say the volume is increasing or decreasing, on what reference point am I able to say the volume is increasing or decreasing? As in, the volume has increased more than yesterday or day before yesterday, what is my reference point exactly? So the basic rule of thumb would be that you take an average of the last 10 days. The volume would be considered high if today's volume is greater than the last 10 days average volume. The volume would be low if today's volume would be lesser than the last 10 days average volume, and the volume would be average if today's volume is equal to the last 10 days average volume. So if the volume is high, then only you take a trade, right? So 2 things that you need to keep in mind is if the volume is high and if there is a clear sign whether it's a bearish or a bullish trend. Now, how do you find out the average trend volume? Do you take a pen paper and note down the averages? Not really. You do not have to do that. We have all the technologies available. So let me just show you. Let's go to Trading View and let's take a chart of Jubilant Food. Jubilant Food works. Let's go to the full featured chart and let's select candlesticks. Alright, so how do you go to indicators and you add moving average, right? Once moving average is added, you go to select. So you go to settings and you choose your source as volume and you put your length as 10. This is the 10-day moving average line for the volume. If the line crosses the average, that means that this is an actively traded stock and you can trade on that day. If it is below the average, you do not take a trade on that day. So that would be it for this video that we learned about volumes. In the next video, I'll come up with something else that is more informative and that would definitely help you take a trade. Till then, take care. Cheers.